Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to automate conversations in Slack with ChatGPT. So, first of all you have to do is open Zapier.com and sign in with your account. Once you've signed in, you have to click on Zap. A new page will open with showing you trigger and actions. In the trigger section, you have to click on trigger and search for Slack. Click on Slack. From here, you can trigger an event. For example, you can select new message posted to channel. This is my trigger, and I will sign in with my Slack account on this section, and then I will go to the configure tab. From here, I will select my channel that I want, and then I will click on continue once again, and then I will test my trigger. Once it's done, now you have to go to the actions tab and search for ChatGPT. Click on ChatGPT. In action event, I will search for conversation. Click on conversation, sign in with your ChatGPT account and sign in with your API key. Once you're done, click on continue. In the user message, you have to put a / and type text here, and then you have to click on continue. And after that, you have to add a new step. From here, you have to type in Slack once again. Type in Slack. Choose an event. From here, you have to select Send Channel Message. Click on Continue. From here, in the channel, you have to select your channel. For example, once your channel has been selected, in the message text field, you have to select assistant's response message. Okay? So after that, you have to enter your bot name. You can type any name and then click on continue and click on test actions. And after that, you have successfully integrated or automated conversations in Slack with ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.